All right. Wait, Monk? Yeah, I just messaged him. But I think he just got a game. Let me check. What is this? I feel like there's so much happening, but not much happening. Weird. Yeah, he's in a quick play game. I'll spectate. Let's see his first game. He's on tank, so 2-2-2 for... Really, actually? Wait a minute. That's actually his... He's got a 1-3-2 game. One 3-2 game, actually. He's queuing as DPS? Oh, he is? Really? So as a DPS player, are you gonna get probably more 1-3-2 than... Interesting. I wonder if I should queue as a DPS game, see what I get. He died. He queued 2-2-2 and got like 3 in a row. Is that Ball Doom Team 2-2-2? So that means, so if you see one team that has 2-2-2, right? Like his team has 2-2-2. The other team is 1-3-2. That means the lobby is 1-3-2. One of the DPS players is flexing over onto tank. The other team, they're not. So they have nobody on their DPS roster that's flexing over to tank. But on Emong's team, one of them is. That was something. Also, by the way, while we're waiting, how is the rivals thing? The new event, yeah. It's really short. It's just better zombies. Okay. Also, is it a little loud or is it just me? I feel like my audio got messed up yesterday, and ever since then it's just... Oh, it's a spectating bug? Oh. Hello? Damn, okay. No comms, so louder noises? I don't know if that's how that works, though. So, let's see. Has anyone on the other team swapped? Oh, someone did actually swap. They do have a tank player now. So I wonder if there's like that, what would I call it? Not the fear, but like the feeling that your tank sucks as a DPS player. So like you're like, fuck it, our tank sucks. I'll go tank 2 and show them how to play tank, and then they go 2-2-2.
Get them off the table.
Primary target updated. Locked.
Healing fortified.
I bought Overwatch. I bought it in 2019. I have one question: why do people hate cast so much, and especially silver bullets? I find the Fan the Hammer more toxic. I think Fan the Hammer would be more hated if it was a 6v6 format, because it's kind of a tank buster. But silver bullet kind of fucks up like squishies really hard. For an easy shot. They nerfed it recently, but it used to be like a bigger bullet, so it was like an easier shot that got a lot of value. on a kind of a tanky character, like a lot of people would feel like they got cheesed. Even though I don't agree with it. I actually think Silver Bullet was fine. But there's a lot of purists also in this community with it. With like, unless you're playing like, I don't know. Doomfist players, I think, sticks out. It's like Doomfist, maybe, I mean, hell, I've even seen people say shit talk about Tracer. It's like Ball. Unless you're playing like the hyper movement / hyper like niche, not niche maybe, like I'd say hyper movement characters, they think everyone else is like inferior to them. It's the same thing in Rivals with like hit scan, right? Like all the dive players are like that, the melee players. Where like if you play hit scan in Rivals, they're like, oh, you're playing poke slop. You're worse than I am. I could play that any day of the week, but then they don't. And then they lose, and they're like, see, I'm only losing because you're playing poke slop instead of playing like my ethical melee hero Daredevil, you know? Also, why sudden thing in time? Zad killing 22 months. I think I got that earlier though. Don't you think 6v6 should be 3 DPS with one 5v5 buff tank? No. No, that's the problem we're trying to solve. People don't want to fight the raid boss, but also the tank player doesn't want to fucking feel like they literally can't play the video game. We're trying to solve multiple problems at once.
How dare you play a shooter hero in my hero shooter game? The average dive player.
Real.
Solar boost administered.
Oh, he dead. Oh, he dead. Wait, the bubble shield actually ate most of it.
60 seconds.
Since when did Emong know how to play ball? Never mind. What about that 7v7? Is that getting considered? No. No. We'll see in 10 years from now when they consider it. In 10 years from now, I won't even be a streamer anymore or something. And then people will be like, holy shit, this is the greatest idea ever. No, why did nobody ever think of it? 7v7 will make the healers quit. No, they won't. They'll just bitch.
Start the victory timer. It won't be long now. Get them off the payload. وليهم قوتك.
Hold on.
Victory. Play of the game.
All right, good news. If you were here at the beginning on the furniture story, we're good actually. Apparently, the furniture just got delayed. It's just the email is wrong, but they do have the right address, so we're good. Damn! Look at my favorites list all offline. Hello?
I'm just queuing DPS to see what happens with that. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't try tank already, or you did earlier?
No, I did play tank, but like you still can queue tank. You still can choose tank, kind of like the old one. It just sometimes it will give you a 2-2-2 game, and sometimes it will give you a 1-3-2.
Well, I'm just curious how often you get the 2-2-2.
Yeah, that's why I'm picking DPS.
So then, how often did you get 2-2-2?
Every game. There was one game where the other team didn't pick it. They went. Well, we started 1-3-2, but then
No, I mean like loaded
2-2-2.
in, and you had 2-2-2. You know what I mean?
I'd say it's about 80% 2-2-2 and 20% 1-3-2. And every game it's gone 2-2-2 though, except for one where the other team went all DPS, and then you're not going to believe this, they didn't win, and then swapped to Roadhog.
Vote for your map.
The DPS swapped to Roadhog or the tank did?
Yes. Yes, the DPS
okay.
swapped to Roadhog. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Which I was surprised by because that doesn't normally
Wait,
happen with that.
wait, we got a 2-2-2.
Mm-hmm.
And we're both on DPS. And I queued for tank.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
I know.
Doable.
Now arriving at Neon Junction.
Flats, I'm halfway through college and I have some money. Should I get a Mustang? Some guy in my class is selling his for not a bad price. No. I know you might think it's like, oh, hell yeah, this will be a cool thing for college for a couple of years, but like, no. Realistically, no. Do not buy it. Think of it this way. Why would you be selling it for a decent price? The only way you're doing that is if you're buying something at auction, you have a dealer auction license, you're buying something that has value, especially something like that you could resell and you fix it up for cheap, get it up, get it running, and then you're able to sell it after. But like, then you're basically acting like a dealership at that point. It's a bot chat, ignore it. Wait, what's the bot? The car guy? Guy saying the same message? Oh, that guy does that every day. I swear to God, it's like a bit from him
I
now.
found out that, you know that little like thing that sits right there in front? Like this like thing that the cart pushes past now?
Yeah.
This thing? I was jumping on top of that. Apparently that you don't contest if you jump on top of it.
Wait, what?
I was just jumping on it and I was the only one on point and I wasn't capturing it. I just kept jumping up and down and it was just it wasn't giving me credit. When I was
It's kind of wild, actually.
It was too high apparently, but that's not that high at all.
Yeah. Have you died to bees?
Bees?
Yeah, I heard you can die to bees now.
Yes, it's not really. It takes forever. If you die to bees, it's like the most rarest moment you'll ever see.
I kind of want to die to bees, though.
I mean, you can go to first spawn.
Yeah. Uh-oh. I saw C's playing. What is he at now?
I think he's supposed to be GM. I think. He's in range for most. Yeah, he's been playing every few days, vibing. So he's been on the 6v6 grind, last I heard.
Oh, nice. Oh, wait, I think, yeah, actually, you might be right. I think we did play, like, when the Power World beta, like, when it first came out.
Yeah. Got a couple other mods, but I got a couple.
Nice solo grab. Wait, I thought things couldn't come through that barrier. Shatter not count? The sanctuary.
No, you can get shattered. You can't do like fire strikes or like projectiles, but you can shatter that. Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking 1 HP. I should have just snuck back out. It's like a thin DM, not a barrier. Ah, that makes sense.
No time to waste.
Map is interesting on the show.
Yeah, this choke seems a little,
What's been up?
little tough.
What's been tough? I'm sorry?
This choke?
Oh yeah, this choke is pretty tough. You either just get snowballed through it or you just get stuck here.
There's a flank up here.
Wasn't yesterday like the Rivals tournament too? Aren't they having it at like the same time?
Yeah, it's the exact same time. So like
That's
they
a really
have.
interesting choice.
Yeah. Well, they have a LAN going. I don't know if the OWCS is a LAN right now.
Yeah, it's a
But-
LAN, yeah. It's
Oh,
major.
it is.
Yeah,
It's
the major in Paris.
Oh, it's in Paris. Okay. Your mic is cutting out again. What do you mean my mic?
That's
Like on stream or on his end?
side.
Play of the game.
Yeah, they have it. It's in LA, but apparently, chat was saying that like some people were saying that they're at the venue, but it's like really small. It's like maybe 400 people type of venue. So I think they're trying like smaller ones. I think because it's not connected to anything. It's not like next to like DreamCon or anything like that. It's not bad. I would say production needs some help because they keep fucking up really hard in the beginning, but it actually did get pretty interesting as it went on.
Heck yeah. I mean, always good having good tournaments. That makes sense.
Like one of the teams from Korea is basically like just like an old Overwatch team.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like who is it? It's like Yaki. Oh my god, a guy who used to play for Seoul. I forget his name. One of the tank players.
Speaking of that, Fearless is back.
Oh really? Wait,
Yep,
what didn't he have like his military service or something?
Yeah, a bunch of players on military service just came back. Like we have Voids on an OWCS team.
Oh, nice.
Fate is on an OWCS team. And then now apparently Fearless just signed to an OWCS team. So all the players that like took that break after OWL are now returning because they're back. Like most of them.
And are they like? I mean this in the nicest way. Are they still that good? Like, and they still compete?
So they're definitely rusty, but like you can tell that they'll be fine. There's a lack of tank players in Overwatch anyway, and like I think some of the tank players are kind of grinded out right now. So like this is kind of their opportunity to have that. Obviously they'll be rusty.
Yeah.
Their teams didn't do so hot, but like you could tell like Void, for example, was getting much better over time. It just took a while, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool to see him back.
Welcome to Hollywood.
So there's an actual 3-2-1 game, but oh wait, our other guy insta-locked tank.
Okay, that's huge. Well, I'm gonna have to insta-lock Widow.
Our tank player locked Malga though, so you know, minus points.
Got a new tank actually soon.
Yeah, when is that?
I think 10 days.
Wait, actually?
I think the season's the 11th. Yeah.
Wait, chat, when is the Rivals mid-season? I swear they're lined up. It keeps happening.
Loving all the changes, lady boss.
And next thing I'll know, I'll have a drop that time from Rivals too.
On my back about
Yeah.
exercising restraint or whatever.
Wait, I just realized that guy's level 600 on Malga. What?
Yep. Welcome to Quick Play.
You don't gotta tell me twice.
Level 624 on Malga and 10 on What?
You're just
That-
jealous.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You play that much. I gotta tell you, man, Malga's actually fun to play, not fun to play against. though.
Stop,
Give
stop.
Malga a try.
No,
Just trust me. It's not a shoot tank style. It's just a run at them style.
I am restored.
you know that goes against like my religion.
My man, you would say the same thing about Orisa the whole time, and then you got literally featured playing Orisa at BlizzCon.
I know.
No,
I had to do it. I played Malga all the times because I was playing to win. I didn't like it. I didn't enjoy it. I never wanted to.
Exactly. You don't have to enjoy
Same
it.
thing. I played Orisa to play to win.
Well, we never won, so what happened there?
We won a lot.
I mean, that lots. I guess
say we
32%
won.
of our games is pretty solid.
I thought we won a good amount. I thought they made Vendetta better. Oh, they did actually. It's okay.
They made her a little bit better. Like you can kill her now.
Yeah. I definitely feel like I'm much squishier.
Oh, as a like Vendetta, yeah. You're squishier,
Yeah.
but you have more range, which is nice. So.
Colpirò 2 volte più forte.
Shall we do this together?
Yeah, this major's 5 days.
The OWCS one?
Yep.
Love the vids and streams.
Yo, Frosty, thank you for 38 months.
Good work.
Appreciate it.
New drops every single day. So it's long days.
Yeah. We haven't quite figured that one out yet.
We got there.
I don't know if we will, actually. I feel like they've been told many times, apparently, but they just don't really budge.
It's a bit unfortunate. I feel like it would do well.
Yeah, I just don't think they see the value. They're kind of like, all right, we're already putting up so much money, then if people don't like it, then that's it. And it's like, well, I don't think that's how that should work, but...
Yeah, well, yeah, every game goes through growing pains.
True. I just kind of play whatever, though. Like, I play this stuff for like an hour or two now, and then I just play something different. Like, I've been playing...
Yeah, why not?
I think this week I played Palworld, I played Halo, Contraband Police.
I got rolled.
What else? It's like Papers, Please. Seagull played it like 2 years ago.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I mean, Papers, Please is like that zombie game, right? Or like, like the same type of that zombie
yeah,
like
concept. Yeah, similar concept, Yo, you think raid. Oh, hello. What the fuck? Hello? What did I do to you?
The game I was watching, when I loaded up this morning, I saw Summit was playing this Division. I just
I
always
appreciate
have fun with that game.
What game?
The Division, but like
Dude, I haven't heard about that game in a long time.
I know. I think they're making a third one. I think they were. I don't even know.
Enough gratitude. Get moving. For this, you will be rewarded.
Dude, I'm literally losing the 1v1 to a break. That's crazy.
And, yep.
I've laid claim to the payload. Getting hot. Adaptive circuits engaged. Good kitty. Greetings.
Okay. That's true. That's true. Are you excited for the WoW potential stuff?
What? Like WoW Classic?
Yeah, Shay keeps like coping that there's some big WoW stuff coming, and
oh, it's gonna happen. Yeah, I mean, I was talking to Seagull about it already. If it happens to happen, we're gonna play. Because
like on stream or off stream?
Like, probably more off stream because
yeah.
I'm trying that. I like watching tank drive.
Yeah.
So, oh, I got rolled.
I'm out of here.
But yeah, basically it's just like Classic Plus, so it's like if it does happen, of course. But I mean, like to give you an idea, like back in July they got a bunch of WoW Classic streamers out there, and then told them not to talk about what they're talking about. I think I have an idea of what they were doing.
Oh, the Classic! I know a thing or two about that.
We've been there, done that. So they had all the WoW Classic streamers there. They had a bunch of pictures, and they didn't talk about what they were there for. Now I know it ain't about retail, that's for sure.
Thank you.
Basically, it would be like, imagine like one of your favorite like grindy games gets basically they just extend it out. It's kind of like what Division would do. Kind of like what RuneScape does now, I think. RuneScape maybe just kept making the game. That's what WoW Classic would be. If it doesn't go to like the expansion, it just keeps extending the game.
Yeah.
At least that's what people hope.
Not good enough. You have my gratitude.
Oh. I was not even clicking the button and it just went off instantly. Feels good. No. Damn, I really didn't get healed up from the tree very much at all. It's your birthday today? Could you wish me happy birthday? Yo, happy birthday, Saki. Can we get a Feels birthday, man, for Saki? Hope it's a good one. For real.
They have greater numbers.
Get there in time. Oops, someone's Venommined. There's walls for the whole team. Good luck.
Nice, big walls.
Venomine over the top.
Made it.
Arriva la punizione!
There you go.
Nice.
Good for you.
This quick play RWCS, dude, quick play gets sweaty in this game now. Like, very sweaty. I mean, to be fair, Rivals is really not that different either. Oh my god.
So are you going to be at BlizzCon?
Yeah. I haven't booked my flight yet, but I got my I got a ticket.
Mine. Lonnie and I are going to go a day earlier.
Yeah, we can't because Shay's parents are going to come down to watch Gus, so we're probably just going to be from like Friday to Sunday or Monday or whatever it is.
Yeah, we're going on like the day before, like the day they have everybody go.
Nice.
Adaptive circuits engaged. Vendetta.
Oh my god, I just smoked that guy in the 1v1. Wait, I'm cracked with the 0.
We got him where we want him.
Wait, is Vendetta like busted right now?
Is who?
Vendetta?
She's pretty solid. I wouldn't say she's busted, but I would say she is still getting playtime in pro play.
Play Vampire Survivors? I have not, no.
I think it play of the game, but that's fine.
I mean, how are you gonna win play of the game versus this?
What'd you say?
I don't know how you're gonna win play of the game versus this. Like, he's playing Malga going crazy.
624 Malga, yeah.
Yeah.
I know Karki's going. I was talking to him.
Oh yeah, he asked me last night if I was going.
Yeah, he's going a week early.
Yeah, he said he's like got a wedding or something. Lego Batman playthrough is happening. I do not have any plans for it at the moment. Do not have any plans for it at the moment.